We have another question as an example. A small ball is thrown upwards into the air and caught when it returns to its original height at 1,6 seconds after it was thrown. Calculate the magnitude of the initial velocity with which the ball was thrown upwards. The time for the ball to reach the peak and fall down is 1,6 seconds. So we use the formula for free fall motion. Our final velocity is at zero, right? Acceleration due to gravity, where A is equal to negative 9 meters per second squared. It's negative because of the downward motion. Then the total time of flight is 1,6 seconds. So time to reach the peak is half of the total time. So this is the formula that we will be using. So now we take the total time divided by 2, which is equal to 1,6, which is 1,6 seconds, which is the total time, divided by 2, and that leaves us with 0,8 seconds. Now we will be rearranging the formula to solve the initial velocity. So initial velocity is equal to final velocity minus acceleration multiplied by the time. Then we substitute the values. Remember, whenever we have a formula, we substitute. So VI is equal to 0 minus negative 9,8. This is already minus, so the value of A is negative 9,8. So that is why we have it in parentheses, multiplied by 0,8. If you put this in on your calculator, you will get the initial velocity at 7,84 meters per second. We have one more to answer of question 3. The other part of question 3 is that we need to calculate the maximum height. So we take the final velocity, which is 0, initial velocity that we just calculated to be 7,84 meters per second, and the acceleration is A, where we have negative 9 meters per second squared. We rearrange the equation so that we solve for S, which is the maximum height. The formula that we will be employing in this instance is velocity v squared, and this is the final velocity squared, minus initial velocity squared over 2 multiplied by the acceleration. So then we substitute the values, 0 squared minus 7,8 squared over 2 times negative 9. I just included the extra step to show you what the answer was before we gave the final one. So 7,84 squared gives us negative 61,4654, and this is because of the negative that is there, right? Because 0 minus that number would give us a negative in that answer. And 2 multiplied by negative 9 gives us negative 19,6, right? So our final answer is 3,14 meters. That would be the maximum height.